case there's anybody who hasn't got a clue where they are, this is Llandudno. Roughly translated means the parish of St. Tid. So on the Ulm there was a site of prayer from around about the mid-600s and a small church built there, St. Tidmos Church, in the mid-1200s, which still stands there to this day. So just in case anybody hasn't got a clue where they are, this is known as Llandudno, the parish of St. Tidno. Well, if any of you were here before 1843, you might remember that this was a fishing street in the winter years ago and be unlikely to hit anybody. I would strongly suggest that you don't do that now. Probably even then wouldn't have been a good idea. The first hotel on the promenade was, now it is of course a travel lodge. On the left, one of the Simon Hedger wood carvings, of course forming the Alice in Wonderland trail. Side Grange Apartments. Million years, formed from carboniferous limestone, therefore fossilized sea creatures predominantly. That's what the Ulms are made up of. 679 feet to the top of the Great Orme, the vast Snowdonia range ahead of us, and of course Snowdon, 3,563 1 7/8 inches. 180, University 2 in Dennisbury, near Warrington, and he derived the inspiration from little Alice Liddell of the Liddell family. He used to stay in the Pen Mover on the west shore, became the Gogarth Abbey, destroyed yet again another arson attack. Little Alice Liddell apparently at one time stayed in what's now called the Wildings, opposite where we picked you up. It used to be the Tidno Villas apartment. 1861, at the age of 9, Demi roundabout, operated between 1907 and March 1956, the Coleman Bay Electric Tram Company. There is also a cable car, again operates easily, and very much weather dependent. Has been operated since 1969. There's the old tram terminus on the right hand side there. We'll be stopping here only for around about 10 minutes just to give people a chance to look across the west shore to the left of us. Originally built as a boating pool there, tends to serve more as a seagull flight training school now. Looking on towards Anglesey in the distance on a small, and across the Snowdonia range. Stop here for about 10 minutes. If anybody wishes to get off, stretch their legs or anything else, please feel free to do so. If anybody's getting off here and wants picking up later, please let Will.